Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So I am from HR department of Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job opening on ServiceNow. So let us go to the first job opening here. Role would be ServiceNow ITAM developer. Experience they are expecting from the candidate would be 5 to 10 years of experience. They are expecting from the candidate. It would be an on-site Hyderabad location. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to mkateru@vsoftsconsulting.com, or else you can follow Mohana Venkata Suresh Kateru and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role will be ServiceNow API developer. So coming to the technical skills here, minimum 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience with ServiceNow, especially in developing and implementing custom integrations and applications using ServiceNow APIs, and strong experience in at least one module other than ITSM, such as ITOM, CSM, HRSD, ITAM, FSM with CIS certification being preferred. So experience in creating, modifying ServiceNow based technical requirements, and strong proficiency in JavaScript and GlideScript with expertise in advanced querying techniques like glide query and dot walking. ServiceNow certifications such as ServiceNow Certified Application Developer (CAD) are highly desirable. So coming to the soft skills, strong analytical and critical thinking skills to evaluate and improve scripting solution based on the performance metrics and business needs. So let us go through the mandatory skills too. They are given here. So coming to the mandatory skills, 3 plus years of experience in JavaScript, 3 plus years of experience in GlideScript, 3 plus years of experience in ServiceNow APS, and total experience 3 to 5 years of experience in ServiceNow, specifically with ServiceNow APS. It would be a full-time opportunity of 8 hours, 4 hours overlap with PhD. PhD timings. Notice period would be immediate joiner. Engagement length would be 6 to 12 months they are giving. So these are all the some pre-screening questions they are given here. So like, do you have exposure to GlideScript? Can you share your experience and the projects where do you have worked with? And do you have exposure to ServiceNow, Explity, and working with ServiceNow APIs? Can you share your experience and the projects where you have worked with it? So, do you have ServiceNow certifications such as ServiceNow Certified Application Developer (CAD)? This is not must have been is bit plus. If so, like please provide that info or add it in your resume. So these are all the pre-screening questions, some of the pre-screening questions. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to kaliprasad@invisible.itservices.com, or else you can follow Kaliprasad Muniappa and you can send your resumes to him directly. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow UI developer, UI workspace and customizations. So location would be remote but preferred to have local profiles from Kansas City, Frisco or Satellite. So this is his mail ID vijay.m@cosmoglobal.com. This is the job description and primary skills as suggested, like ServiceNow UI developer, ServiceNow UI developer with experience in workspace customizations and custom UI development using Now UI framework and UI builder. For this developer, we are also open to someone have pure nodes and background using TypeScript or JavaScript, some experience with OpenAI and APS agents and ServiceNow experience. So these are all the major skills that candidate should have. That the candidate should have 5 plus years of experience in developing of ServiceNow platform, hands-on experience with experience with UI framework, UI builder, and ServiceNow workspaces, proficiency in JavaScript, React.js, and web components, experience working with GraphQL, Glide Record, and ServiceNow REST APIs, solid understanding of ServiceNow data model, App Engine Studio, and scoped applications, strong UI UX design sense, and familiarity with Figma or similar design with tool is a plus, like familiar with Agile Scrum development methodologies. ServiceNow CA certification is required, CAD or additional certifications are preferred. So these are all the required skills and qualification. If you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to vijay.m at cosmoglobal.com, or else you can follow Vijay Babu and you can send your resume stream directly by following me. So coming to the next job opening, role would be ServiceNow developer, and they are expecting 8 plus years of experience from the candidate. Location is Chennai location. Notice period, they are looking for immediate joiner or April serving notice period. So these are all the qualifications that the candidate should have, like BTech, BCA computers with MCA, BSc computers with MCA, Tier 1, Tier 2 preferable. So this is the job description here. ServiceNow implementation and configuration. Configure and implement ITSM, HRSD and CSM modules to meet business requirements and develop workflows, catalog items, business rules, UI policies and scripts in ServiceNow. So customize forms, fields, notification and UI UX elements based on user needs and ensure seamless integration of ServiceNow with third-party applications, example HRMS, CRM, ITOM. So coming to the required qualifications here, 7 plus years of hands-on experience in ServiceNow implementation, strong expertise in ITSM, HRSD and CSM modules, proficiency in ServiceNow scripting, JavaScript, Glide script, Glide API, business rules script includes etc. So experience with Flow Designer, Workflow Editor and Integration Hub, knowledge of mid-server web services, REST, SOAP API and ServiceNow integrations, and ServiceNow Certified System Administration (CSA) is mandatory. So they are expecting ServiceNow Certified implementation specialist CIS in ITSM, HRSD or CSM mandatory for any one or more certification they are needed. So excellent problem solving skills, communication and stakeholders management skills. If in these are all the major key required qualifications they are expecting from the candidates. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resumes to riza.khan@mnresolutions.in, or else you can follow Riza Khan. You can send your resume to her directly by following her. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer. Experience they are expecting from the candidate would be 7 plus years of experience. Location is Pan India location. These are all the mandatory skills like ITSM plus service portals plus ServiceNow UI builder plus CSM workflow. So these are all some major responsibilities like perform coding and ensure optimal software module development, determine operational feasibility by evaluating, analysis, problem definition and requirements, software development and proposal variations, like develop and automate process develop and automate process of software validation by setting up and designing test cases, scenario usage cases, executing these cases, like analyzing client side scripting and server side scripting, like ensuring that code is error free or has no bugs and test failure, and ensure all the codes are raised as per norm. Define the projects like a program account with clear description and replication platform. So coordinating with team and daily project status and progress, documenting it and providing feedback on usability of serviceability, and trace the result to quality risk and report it to be concerned by stakeholders. So these are all the major responsibilities that candidate should have. Like if you are interested for the job opening and if you have these skills, you can send your resumes to through this link, or else you can follow Pragati Shetty and you can send your resumes to her directly by following her. Thank you.